frost-free double-door refrigerator. 345-liter capacity, energy rating, 2-star warranty, 1 year on product, 5 years on compressor. Frost-free double-door bottom-mounted refrigerator. BMR auto defrost to stop ice buildup, suitable for families with 3 to 4 members. Shelf type, toughened glass shelf refrigerant, R608 gas, vegetable crispers, chiller. Compartment toughened glass shelf, fast cool and fast freeze function, multi-channel airflow system, 360-degree cooling, stabilizer-free operation.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.